Today, millions of Indians start their day with an egg. 30 years ago, it was hardly so. Thanks to the pioneering efforts of one man, Dr. B.V. Rao, founder of Venkateshwara Hatcheries, affectionately known as the father of Indian poultry industry. And not without reason. He was the driving force behind transforming poultry from a mere backyard activity into an organized and world-class industry. In a way, the progress and growth of the Indian poultry industry is synonymous with the growth of the VH Group.
My mother, Mrs. Uttara Devi Rao, was the person who started the Venkateshwara Hatcheries. It began in the form of a small farm that she started in Hyderabad in 1970. In 1971, Dr. B.V. Rao, my father, he is the one who converted this farm into a hatchery, and his desire was that he provide all the best of the services. He believed in total poultry support. In that sense, he wanted to provide every aspect of poultry technology to not only to every poultry farmer in this country, and he wanted to see this not only his company grow but also the industry grow.
Venkateshwara Hatcheries is a company at the forefront of poultry development in India. It pioneered the concept of parent franchisee operation and introduced for the first time in India the concept of live and inactivated vaccines, combination vaccines, and the use of SPF eggs in vaccine production. Its diversified portfolio of products includes technology-driven businesses like manufacturing egg powder. Venkys India Limited started with producing day-old layer and broiler chicks. Subsequently, it has expanded its business interests into more profitable ventures.
Venkys was set up in 1986 to manufacture ready-to-eat chicken products. Today we are manufacturing and selling chicken products like chicken nuggets, chicken sausages, chicken samosas to consumers all over the country. In fact, Venkys is the face of the entire VH Group. The next challenge is to take Venkys to Europe, to Middle East and to Southeast Asia.
Apart from ready-to-eat chicken products, Venkys India has diversified into non-poultry nutritional health products, solvent oil extraction, pellet feeds, and specific pathogen-free eggs.
When it comes to SPF technology, India is only the 4th country in the world which possesses this technology and has been so successful after USA, and the credit goes to Dr. Rao for having set up this technology in India and taking India to such heights. Apart from this, Venkateshwara Hatcheries is the only company which is completely integrated from back to forth, right from the pure line where we have the seed production and research going on around the bird, and to the end product, that is the processed chicken or the processed eggs in the form of egg powder, yellow and white.
Venkateshwara Research and Breeding Farms and Venko Research and Breeding Farms produce the best birds for poultry in India.
The two distinct features of the Indian breeding program: firstly, it is conducted in the environment and husbandry practices in which the bird has to perform at the farmer's place, and secondly, in the selection program, we give emphasis to all the traits that are relevant for the Indian market conditions.
Venko Research and Breeding Farms is a joint venture with Cobb Ventris Incorporated, USA. The company produces Vencob, a superior breed of broiler that has earned a big thumbs up from the Indian farmers.
India is the only country in this part of the world to have this kind of research facilities. In order to select the best broiler, we collect 5 million records on 500,000 broilers annually on the broiler traits, and we collect 1 million records on the feed conversion on 0.1 million broilers annually.
Venkateshwara Research and Breeding Farms is a joint venture with ISA Babcock Ithaca, USA. It undertakes pure line research and breeding work for egg-type chicken. The BV300 layer and layer breeder chicken is a result of 24 years of extensive research.
Today,
Indian poultry industry is the fourth largest in the world and produces 40 billion eggs annually. We command 85% of the Indian market share in spite of the competition from all important international players.
VJ Equipments, a joint venture with James Way Incubator Company Limited, the world leaders in incubator technology, specializes in equipment for hatchery operations. Its product portfolio includes microprocessor-controlled walk-in incubators, fully automated incubating systems with the largest ever egg setting capacity, and automatic hatchery ventilation systems. VR Equipments is a joint venture with Roxel NV Belgium. It manufactures automatic feeding systems, feed bins, feed transportation systems, automatic drinking systems, and environmental control systems. With modern designing and testing facilities, VJ and VR Equipments ensure a superior quality product every time. Uttara Foods and Feeds provides hygienic, nutritionally well-balanced and easily digestible diet to poultries around India. Today, Uttara Feed is the forerunner in pellet feed in India.
We started this in 1998. I brought this technology from Woodsville, Switzerland, Buehler company, and we started first time in India, palletization, and we started these plants across the country to help the commercial farmers basically. And it made a vast difference, believe me, because FCRs started improving, and then the weight gain started improving, and naturally the revenue started improving. And palletization is passed through, the system is, the feed is passed through high temperatures, so automatically you get better biosecurity for the birds. So it made a total new impact, and I would say that crores and crores of rupees of the farmers have been generated, and I think it is a boost to the poultry industry.
BV Feed Supplements manufactures a wide range of quality vitamin premixes customized for the poultry industry. Venkateshwara Biosentry Limited, a joint venture with Biosentry Incorporated USA, aims to offer Indian farmers the opportunity to implement practical biosecurity measures, resulting in cost effectiveness due to reduced diseases in chicken. With products like SPF eggs, broiler and layer hatching eggs, poultry vaccines and healthcare products, egg powder, processed chicken products, incubating systems and more, the VH Group is the largest exporter of poultry products in India.
My company is a company like it's #1 in Asia today, and like exports also we are largest in India, like in egg powder, processing meat, that's chicken, vaccines, and now soon like I want to see our company on global map.
Dr. Rao, in pursuit of his philosophy of total poultry support, set up certain very big institutes or institutions like National Egg Coordination Committee, like the Poultry Development and Research Center in Pune, and also the Institute of Poultry Management of India, which have been very instrumental in the growth and development of poultry industry in India. And I'm sure these institutes and institutions will play a major role in future also in the development and growth of poultry industry.
Dr. B.V. Rao Institute of Poultry Management is the only one of its kind in Asia. It provides comprehensive theoretical and practical training in poultry management on modern and scientific lines to existing and aspiring poultry farmers. The institute is equipped with excellent in-house facilities for imparting hands-on training. To date, it has trained over 4,000 students from India and abroad. In 1980, the Indian egg industry faced its worst crisis. Input prices were sky high and over 40% of the farms were forced to close down. It was then that the National Egg Coordination Committee was established under the leadership of Dr. B.V. Rao. He brought all the poultry farmers from across India together under the NECC. Today it runs various egg promotion activities along with controlling prices.
ऑमलेट भी खाओ, बॉयल भी खाओ या कच्चे ही खाओ।